Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So today I will discuss to you about your module 2, assessment 1, how to answer about it, and then the rest of the notes mag-ano na to while discussing the assessment number 1. Di na to maglangan pa. Start na ta. Okay, asa man to? Okay. In knowledge 1 building, assessment task number 1, the unit circle. Find the cosine and sine of the following angles. Show your solution on the space provided. So, where are we going to put the solution, sir? Klaro na kayo, nagibot lang din he. Show your solution. And then, for every solution with correct answer, you will get a corresponding of 10 points. Additional 5 points for every correct figure presented. You have to show the figure of your solution. Because while you are answering something, you have kanang mga drawing. Oh. In number 1, the given is 225 degrees. In 225 degrees, kini ba itong gamitin for example? No. I will give another degree for us to answer right here. So here, in number 1, 150 degrees. The first thing you are going to do is, again, our goal right here is find, again, our goal is to find the cosine and sine. That's our goal. Ang first step is we are going to draw a Cartesian plane and then plot the given degree. Again, by the way, I am showing you everything from kanang pinaka-deep gid niya, detail by detail. Because basin mo na mo, sir, wa kay klaro, sir, imo man gipalasod ang tanan. Actually, no. Naisayon dyan nga pamagi, pero kung mulaktod-laktod ko, and then you don't know the basic, masalaag mo. So ako sa explain detail by detail. Na yung mga laing pamagi. Okay? Kasi mga namang wakoy klaro, actually, ako lang yung ipakita. Okay, let's start. Again, first, we are going to plot it. Where is the 150 degrees? 150 degrees located right here. You are going to use protractor. It is not 100% accurate, pero something diha. Na. Okay. After that, we are going to draw. This is our 150 degrees. 150 degrees. And based on your trigonometry during your senior high school and also your fourth year high school, that straight line, the total angle of it is 180. So if sa atong straight line, there is 150 na, therefore, the value of this one is 150 minus 180, I mean 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degrees. Na. After that, you are going to, okay, first step, plot the angle given. Second step, find the reference angle. Okay. If you're done reading the module 2, I guess nakaagi na mo sa reference angle. Reference angle is always positive. Nasa uban nga reference angle is naagid siya nakatugpa sa x-axis. Dira siya nakabase sa x-axis. So from here, kini siya I will just color it kanang red for our reference angle. That is our reference angle. Our reference angle is 30 degree. 30 degrees. Since you know na your reference angle, that's the time you are going to identify the angle, what special right triangle you can apply. Do you remember the special right triangle? Yes or no? The 30, 60, 90, and also the 45, 45, 90 degrees. If you don't remember that one, then let's proceed to the next episode. Again, our reference angle is 30 degree. Which special right triangle that has 30 degree? Yes, you're correct. The 30, 60, 90 has 30 degree. So we are going to use this special right triangle. And then you're going to say, sir, wait. Why are you talking about the right triangle? Nga diri sa PCAS is just, sir, this is just a Cartesian plane with a given angle. Okay. We are going to draw we can draw a triangle right here. So from here to here, as what you observe that naka-form ta og triangle. Very good. And then the straight line right here, this one is the 90 degree. This one is the 90 degree, and then the other angle is the 60 degree. So no need for me to write it. Next. So always remember nga atong gamiton lang dire is radius is equal to 1. Actually, you can use 2, 3, 4, but we are going to proceed to the lowest form, lowest number, which is 1, to make our life easier. This one is 1. And then, what's next, sir? Do you remember the trigonometric ratios? Do you remember? Unsa na siya trigonometric ratio, sir? Okay. Third step. Identify what trigonometric ratio we are going to use. Ano? What trigonometric ratio ang gamiton to find kini siya nga side? This side is y. Ano? That is y. Kaya ang y is the vertical line, while the horizontal line is the x-axis. This is the y-axis, and this one is the x-axis equal to question mark. Sir, atong gipangita, sir, cosine and sine. Sir, maglayo na lagi ka. Okay. Tanawa ninyo diri ha. First, we are going to find this one. X is equal to question mark. Unsa kito nga special triangle to gamiton? This one. We are going to use this special right triangle. So, ano na, kapihon na nato. Again, there is much easier way to how to answer this one, pero ako lang ipakita ninyo tanan. Or else, ang mahitabo, maglibog-libog mong maayo. In trigonometric ratio, do you remember katong base angle? If yes, then okay na tana. Our base angle right here is the 30 degree. So therefore, kini siya, x is the adjacent. Adjacent means near, duol. Again, adjacent is equal to near, duol nga angle sa base angle, which is the 30 degree. And then, sir, okay, I'll introduce to you the trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric or trigonometric ratio. Basta, lahilayan nga basa mi sa akong magian, pero ang important is we know how to use that one. That is the most important thing. May ka mo pronounce pero di ka mo solve. Okay. Do you remember the saw, ka, and toa? That is the trigonometric ratio. What is saw? It is sine is equal to sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. How about ang ka? Ka is equal to cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. While TOA is tangent is equal to, or sa daling astorya, tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. That's it. So what's next, sir? May sakalit isa ako sa na-move. Tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. Next is we are going to find na the x. We are going to find the x. Mao na ni siya, guys. Answer na ni siya. Okay, we are going to find the x. So in finding x, okay. Di ba adjacent angle na siya? Adjacent angle of the base angle which is the 30 degree. Okay, ako pa in-circle na. This one is our base angle, the 30 degree. And this side is duol. That is why this one is adjacent side. And then this one, kining atbang sa right triangle, I mean right angle, or let we say the longest side of the triangle is called hypotenuse or hypotenuse. Sa lain nga source. Hypotenuse or hypotenuse. Again, the most important thing is how to solve it. Okay. Atong i-identify, guys, ang mga given. We have this adjacent adjacent, and adjacent. And then we have this hypotenuse or hypotenuse. Na ba hypotenuse diri? Wala. So atong gamiton kini. Okay. So trigonometric ratio atong gamiton is ka, which is cosine. Okay. Ba find cosine? Mana ni, this is it. So let's solve na. Cosine okay. Cosine, have you seen this one? 30 degree. Okay. Cosine 30 degree okay. Cosine 30 degrees is equal to, what is the value of our adjacent? So we don't know what's the value of our adjacent. So nga to na lang ibutang dire, instead nga kuan gamiton tani wam dakibano unknown man siya guys now. So gamiton ni natong special right triangle. So sa paggamit nato sa special right triangle, kining 30 degree, the hypotenuse niya is times 2. Okay. I want you to focus right here. Cosine 30 degrees. Cosine 30 degrees. According to the special right triangle, ang hypotenuse is times 2. 2x. The hypotenuse is times 2. So, focus na diri balik. If the hypotenuse is 1, so sa dali nga storya, nga kini adjacent, which is this one, okay, which is this one, adjacent sa 30 degree is square root of 3. Very good. What is the adjacent? Square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 3 square root of 3 over 2 ana, and then divided by the value of the hypotenuse, which is over by 1. So therefore, the cosine 30 degree, so therefore the cosine 30 degree is equal to maran siya, square root of 3 divided by 2. So this is the answer of your cosine. And according to your module writer, that you are not allowed to put a cosine 30 degree nga decimal. Kaya nga no, if you are using decimal, may chance nga nang uban ka calculator ha. Pero I advise to you nga don't use calculator. Why? Kaya kung mag-anad mo use of calculator, sa next nga module, dili na mo gamit o calculator. That is why I want you to learn everything from the start, which is plotting of the angle. Diba? Okay, again, review ta. First step, plot the given angle. Mo na itong gibuhat. This one. Next is find the reference angle, which is the 30 degree. Di ba, giplata to ang 150. Tapos gipangita din na to ang reference angle. After finding the reference angle, which is 30 degree, we are going to identify what now what special angle or special right triangle we can use. So this one. Next is identify what trigonometric ratio. So 30 and then x, which is the adjacent, and then ang hypotenuse niya is 1. So man is siya. Ayos ka because ano ni gamit magkag-caser? Because adjacent ang present nga given kini, and then hypotenuse, which is this one, hypotenuse. So I use cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. So din cosine 30 degree man, ang atong base angle is the 30 degree. Ako butangan there This one is the base angle, which is the 30 degree. And then kinesia is the adjacent, and then this one is the hypotenuse. So the answer is cosine 30 degrees is equal to square root of 3 over 2. I have a question to you guys. Is this the final answer? The answer is no. Ano man, I want you to open your notes dire sa module 2, and then I want you to observe the quadrant 1. Okay. Here in quadrant 1, the x is positive and the y is positive. Here in quadrant 2, the x is negative and the y is positive. Since we are here in quadrant 2, our x should be negative. And the cosine is the value of x. So therefore, atong cosine is not positive. It is negative square root of 3 over 2. If you don't understand, you can rewatch this video. Okay, proceed ta. How about ang sine, sir? Okay. Let's proceed to finding the sine. Sine 30 degrees is equal to, sir, ay sa pag-diretso. Okay. Asa ang sine 30 degrees, ano? I'll use another color. This one. So kinesia. And then this is our base angle again, the 30 degree. And then the opposite side of the 30 degree is the y. The opposite side of the 30 degree is the side y. This one is called the opposite side. Opposite side. So right here, we are going to identify na the given. We have the O represents for the opposite. Asa mang O dire? O. And then the hypotenuse or the hypotenuse. H. So therefore, we are going to use the sine. Atong gamiton kay sine. Mano akong ibutang. Sine 30 degree is equal to, okay. What is the value of our opposite? Sir, we don't know. That's the time nga mogamit na ta og special right triangle. to identify the given directly, even ang given is ang hypotenuse siya, which is 1 unit. Okay, let's proceed to our illustration of our right triangle. So right here, so what you can see, nga ang opposite angle, ay ang opposite side sa 30 degree is x. So ang pasabot ana niya guys, kung ang atong hypotenuse is 1, so ang opposite side di is, very good, that is 1/2. Gidivide siya og 2. Kay kung 2 ni siya, gidivide siya og 2, nahimong 1, i-divide nato og 2 ang 1. Ana. So we have the value of our opposite again is 1/2. Tapos, you are going to divide it by what is the value of our hypotenuse? Very good, that is 1. So the sine 30 degrees is equal to, very good, 1/2. Is it positive or negative? The sine dire is ang ano siya? Ang y. So this one is the x. Always remember, ang first yun sa coordinates is x, tapos kini siya y. Okay? So ang sine na to, okay. Ang sine na to, kini siya mane y. Ang y kay positive. So therefore, tong sine is 1/2. This is the final answer. 1/2. If you don't understand this one, you can rewatch the video over and over again. I hope that it can help you. If naay something sa akong discussion nga dili niyo malibga there's something with my discussion nga dili ninyo masabtan, comment down below kay ako na siya buhatag separate video na para mas masabtan pa gid ninyo. Sir, sayad nga pamagi na you can use ang notes nga naa sa illustration dito sa inyong module 2 na ay circle diha nga naay nakabutang nga mga region which is 5 pi over r mga nana, so you can identify it directly. But I don't suggest nga gamiton to siya ngano according sa inyong module writer, you have to show your solution. So therefore, masiro ka na mo sa inyong solution if dili ta mo tudluan na. If diretso-diretso na lang mo identify with the use of that illustration. Again, if you have questions, you can comment down below. Wala na ako gi-disable. So if you like this video, please give like. And thank you very much guys. I hope that nakatabang na ninyo gamay. Thank you. And then about this 150 sir ba? Kini. For example, guys, inyong ang gihatag sa teacher is region. For example lang, 150 degree is equivalent to pila man ka region. I-convert na nimo siya. Okay, ana ni siya. Okay. We are going to convert this one to region. Symbol of pi. I'll just draw na lang. Pi. Dito ay sabta na ninyo. Pi na siya. Sa pi. over 180 degrees. So what's the answer? Okay. Instead of drawing ko sa pie, maglisod man kog drawing sa pie, I just put pi, which symbolize pi, okay? Pi over 6 ang equivalent sa 150 degrees. You can locate it sa katong illustration. Okay. Sa illustration sa inyong module, I will show you ha. Okay. I want you to look at this one. Kini siya guys. Asa man diri 5 pi over r. So therefore atong answer is correct. But you know, negative square root of 3 over 2 and 1 half. Mao na siya ang value sa y. Tanaw to nyo balik ang video kung wala gyapon mo kasabot. So that's how you are going to check your answer. But again, you have to show your solution. You have to show your figure. We cannot change the fact na mao gyud na siya require sa module writer, which is si Sir Parba. Sir Parba is very good, very smart. So nangutana ko niya about it and he said nga show solution. And I get his point nga dapat yun makuha ninyo ang solution kay lagi sa module 3, 4, 5, and 6 is much harder and you have to understand everything. Kay sa module 1 is more on conversion to siya, mao to siya lisod nga part, conversion and then plotting. So karon is mas advanced na siya. Thank you very much, guys. By the way, if you have schoolmates nga having this kind of subjects, you can share agad. Wala tayo problema na. Naro na siya sa itong YouTube. Ha? Thank you very much.